welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share some of my summer home decor with you. I'm participating in the Summer Home Decor collaboration hosted by Inspired Living with Kristi. I'll link Kristi's channel down below in the description box along with the playlist for this collaboration. Before I share my project and the items that I used to create it, if you're new to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below along with the little bell so that you don't miss out on any content. Leave a thumbs up if you like today's project and be sure to check out the participants in the playlist link below. Thanks again for watching. For this DIY, I'm using the remnants of a wire ribbon from Dollar Tree, also some florals from Dollar Tree and Michaels, black and white ribbon, and wooden beads from Michaels. Make sure you use a 40% off coupon for any of the regularly priced items that you purchase from Michaels.